Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor, part 2 of our AI debate this afternoon with a live phone-in, should you wish to do so. If not, we can move on to something else. Depends if you'd like to do it or not. I have stories lined up. But first of all, I would like to put out a special message. And I think this is a message to encourage and support everyone. So I'm going to make it right now. I'm going to change the set one moment, and I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to see if we got the AI debate. And in the meantime, I'm going to reset this, and I'm going to clear the screens with this. I'm going to do something a little bit different. You ready? Okay. I'm going to record this. If you are a business or an investor, this is a test of mettle. Right now, it's the hardest time to be in the stock market. Right now, it's the hardest time to be a financial channel. Why? Numbers are down dramatically. Last night, I was talking to YouTube. I have a manager at YouTube now. As I hit 100,000 subscribers, I can talk directly to people at YouTube. And I was asking, are the numbers down in the finance sector, crypto and the like? And the answer I got was dramatically yes. So if you are an investor, a business, an entrepreneur, or a broadcaster in the business, finance, and crypto sector, this is a test of mettle. And this is the hardest time there is right now. Apparently, this is worse, way worse than at the beginning of COVID. And then, of course, after COVID, during COVID, it started to pick up dramatically and it accelerated. But right now, we are at the 11th hour before things turn around. You may notice we've now got 112,000 subscribers, and yet we've got 74 people watching today. This is becoming a standard for channels in this space. Bloomberg, CNBC, all of their metrics are down. It's a very tough time. So I offer this to offer encouragement and an opportunity for all. Anyone who's in business or an investor or an entrepreneur or whatever you might be, this is to inspire and support you. All my audience, of course, are investors. This really is a critical moment that will define you for the rest of your life. And I mean that. I've been in these situations many times and always come out on the top. Let me explain what's happening. Right now, because the markets are depressingly low and people are expecting World War III or people are expecting the markets to go, crash down 40% as we are, people haven't got that much interest in watching financial channels and talking about crypto because we're in a crypto winter. The markets are all down. There's not much to say and people just don't want to focus on it. Well, however, this is the time when I work harder, and we're about to work even harder. At the end of the show, I've got an 18+ meeting with all my team, and we are going to discuss a strategy. And we're about to work a lot harder and grow a lot faster and do a lot more. And you need to do that as an investor. You need to dig the ditches when everybody is fearful. Over the last few days, I've hardly had any sleep. I've been raising finances. I've raised as much money as I can from the bank, from Lloyd's, the Bank of America. I've liquidated assets. I borrowed money on credit cards at 4%, which is below the rate that they charge on Robinhood. And I've put everything into quality assets. And right now, we are going sideways. It's a coiled spring. If you look at it, we're just going sideways at the moment. Look at that. And there's two ways this is going to go. It's going to come crashing down or go flying up. Now, I do expect a crash, but I expect a crash with the yen carry trade. That is not this day. right now we're dealing with macro conditions in the Middle East. And I think possibly this weekend we're going to get a surprise. There's a little inside tip for you. I think we're going to get something that's going to surprise us. I actually think all of a sudden Trump is going to say he's done enough for now. The reason for this is because it would stabilize the markets and they'd fly up. And I know that people in the know are buying this dip, waiting for it to go flying back up again. Doesn't mean to say people take profits and it comes back down again. But I think if people thought there was a way out of this, an off-ramp, the markets would rally 10, 15%. If that's the case, I'm going to be touching $750,000, $800,000 with all of my positions and all of my margin and everything else. And if that happens, I'll be trimming and I'll be taking some profit on the 1/3 up of the market. And I think that's a strategy that is on the edge about to happen. Look at the way the markets look. All right. Things aren't really going down that much. It's not as bad as it could have been. Right. It's just kind of consolidating. But what it's doing, retail investors, they're getting bored, they're getting tired, and they're getting frustrated. I'm not. I use this, even though I'm tired, I use this to bolster and to grow. And those channels that survive, those businesses that survive, and those investors that survive will come out of this on top and will have life-changing sums of money, and things will be dramatically different. So right now, my job is to keep working, earning money, and buying as much quality stocks and businesses as I can. And that's exactly what I've been doing, building and building and building. Huge sums of margin. If you look at my margin position on this account here alone, 232,000. That's just about $250,000 of margin. I've also raised $50,000 on Bank of America. That takes me to $280,000 in margin. Nearly $350,000 in margin. So as you can see, it amplifies what we're looking at here with my overall position, right? 335 plus all of that. So we're coming up to the 700 grand now, which at the moment looks painful. It looks painful. We're just going red, sideways. Look at the month. Look at that. If you ever wanted to see a coiled spring chart, that is the perfect definition textbook of it. Now, the reason why it looks like that as well is because I have bought quality assets. And that is the chart that all of you want to be seeing in your portfolios right now. Of course, if you're buying speculative assets, and we do love to see this, of course, many of you have been buying Amprius. You see why I got out. This comes down really quickly. And this weekend or after hours tonight, this could crash. People don't want to be in it over the weekend. It could do. I don't know. I wouldn't want to be in it though. I made 10% profit and I'm out of it. I could have got 20% profit, but look how quick it's coming back down. It's coming down really quickly, and that could drop like a stone. All of a sudden, you'll blink and you'll miss it. So I don't want to be in that. If you are in assets like that, your portfolio is going to be up and down and all over the place. What you want, in my opinion, is a coiled spring like that. Now, I'd love Sensei's opinion. We're hoping to do a live debate today, phone in on the show. I'd love if Sensei could call in and explain or give his thoughts on that. That is 1 month. And the reason why that's a coiled spring is the assets I have got are going sideways. And that's the assets you want, not the ones that are crashing, the ones that are never going to come back. And a lot of businesses are going to fail because we're not going to get interest rate cuts. Maybe one. I've been talking about it for nearly a year. You don't want the ones that are pumping because that's the free money. And like Amprius, all of a sudden it goes straight back down. You can see it falling now. You don't want to be in that, not in my opinion anyway. You want to be in businesses where your overall portfolio looks like a coiled spring. And then all you've got to decide, is it going to explode upwards or down. It's going to be dramatic either way. Now, I think there's a good chance that Donald Trump all of a sudden will say, we have done enough. Why do I say that? Because now I've learned something very specific that no one's spoke about on the news. If you look strategically at what's happening in Iran, very rarely it's making the news, but it is there if you look deeper. America is targeting police stations. Lots and lots and lots of police stations. So I actually think what is happening is a very specific type of regime change. I think that is what Trump is aiming for, a very specific type of regime change. And they are disrupting the police and the security forces to be able to defend what they have. Otherwise, why would they be going after the police? They're not just going after missile sites. Excuse me a minute. They're not just going after missile sites, which is what they're saying. They're going after police stations. Well, take of that as you will. But I think Trump wants to send the market flying back up again, because I know for a fact he and many others in the cabinet will be buying all of this. And we can see that from the coiled spring. So even though they're saying weeks away, and probably it would go on forever, let's be honest, if you're going to fight to the end, it could be a forever war. Iran is rather a large place, don't you agree? I think it's about forcing a regime change quicker than later, so we can get oil moving. Oil comes down, markets fly up. Trump comes in and says, I can provide oil from America. People decide to buy from America. You've got Iran attacking everybody, so they've lost friends with everybody. And I think Iran are going to be a pariah state and completely broken after this. And it'll be easier than it might have been if they'd not fired on their neighbours. But right now it's a difficult time. But I think we're about to be surprised. So right now, whether you are a business, whether you are an investor, everyone is struggling. But the ones that come out on top are the ones that remain focused, the ones that remain strong. Don't look at your numbers if you're a business. Don't look at your portfolio if it's down. In my case, don't look at the views being down. 100 people watching today out of 112,000. If I did a big video about XRP, nobody would watch that either. No one is paying attention. And that is exactly what you're supposed to do. You've been priced out of the market. You've been scared out of the market. The market is capitulating, and it is a coiled spring. And those that can move it, those that can control it, are about, in my opinion, to take it a lot higher, and then you'll be chasing. Not me. I am all in with every penny I can find, even money underneath the sofa. Quality assets, trimming whenever necessary to rebalance. That's why my portfolio looks like a coiled spring. So there we go. Do you agree with me or do you not? Let me know what you think, and leave me your thoughts below in the comments. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Join me on Monday. It's my birthday on Monday. Tonight being Friday, March the 6th, I'm having my music show tonight, and I'm going to have a celebration in there as well. And then my actual birthday is on Monday. Join me for those events. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Pinned in the comments, everything you need. My trades 24/7, 7 days a week, one-on-one support. If you want my Discord, 90% discount. Great community, great features. We are now the Lucasade Village. We have a whole host of venues and events happening 24/7. You might like to join us. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. I'll be here. You might be not watching right now. You might be hiding under a pillow. But in a minute, it's going to surprise you. And you'll come running back and you'll see my portfolio at $700,000. Over here and over here, I'll put more things that you might like and might find interesting. So keep going. Whatever it is you do, stay focused. If you're in business, keep going. And if you're investing, stay in the game. It's just about surviving. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, we'll put that out as a video later. Thank you very much indeed. We've got some super chats. Let me read the super chats out for you. So first of all, Diesel, if you do a super chat, you always get your message read out on the screen. We are now always in members only mode. The channel, even though it's quiet at the moment, is busy overall. We are now all, and my shows are always members only. No one needs to get left behind. Anyone can have a comment read out on the screen. Do a super chat, and it will be shown to the world, and I won't miss anything. So happy upcoming birthday, Martin Fafo. Thank you very much indeed, Diesel Raider. Yeah, there'll be a nice party tonight in the music show, and then there'll be the actual birthday on Monday. We've got another super chat, another special message. This is coming in from Tidy Big Dog. Is the bar open tonight? Is the bar open tonight? Is the bar open tonight? Of course, the bar is open every Friday. I wouldn't miss the bar, of course. Here is the bar tonight. And let me give you the link. Okay. Here we go. There is the show tonight. Now, I don't think anybody wants to do the debate today. As you can see, it's quiet. I very much doubt anybody wants to call in. I'd love you to call in, but I don't think we have the numbers that people will call in. I've got the link to give you. If anybody wants to do it, do a super chat. Tell me you want to call in, and we'll have the online debate. But it doesn't look like anybody wants to right now. It's a very tough time for most people. Most people are hiding and running away. And that's just the way it is. This whole sector is down like this at the moment. All right. Even Trump's not delivering a speech today. Everyone's gone very camera shy and a bit tired. The markets are in a fearful state. Look at that. We've seen extreme fear, though. We've seen extreme fear, and it's been busier than this. It's because people are genuinely feeling afraid. And when I say fearful for the markets is not the same as afraid. I'm collecting information from Europe and in the UK that people genuinely are feeling afraid, not about the stock market, about the state of the world, World War III and things like that, properly afraid of what's about to happen and what comes next. So I understand the markets and the way things are. It's not that nice. Right. Let me go to comments and questions. Let me do some comments. We're in members only mode, so here we go. We just got an upgrade. Miss Barton has become an Electrum member. Thank you much indeed. Morvet has become an Electrum member as well. Kevin celebrating his membership, and Andrew Red has become an Electrum member as well. We're now 2,000 members and over 700 on Discord. Thank you so much indeed. All right, okay, here we go. It says Mark Ponce. I thought we were in members only mode. How did you get through? How did you get through? Congratulations. I should be in members only mode. Let me double check that. I have made an error. My shows are always in members only mode, so I can answer all questions. No, I'm not. There we go. I missed it. That was my error. There we go. Members only mode, so I can answer all questions. So Mark Ponce, you got lucky there, mate. Hit that like button, everybody. Nvidia needs to go up already. It doesn't need to do anything, and as long as it stays down, I shall keep buying it. Okay, I've got a massive price target on Nvidia, so you know, when I get paid again on the 21st of March. I'll bring in money and I'll double it with margin, and I'll keep buying and I'll keep buying and I'll keep buying. I don't, no matter how big my portfolio gets, I will keep buying these levels. I will not stop buying. You keep selling, I'll keep buying. Special guest on the show. We've got another special guest. This is William Myers. Happy early birthday to you, Martyn. Have a drink on me, and thank you for everything. William Myers, did you join Discord today because you didn't choose a subscription? You sent me a friend request I had to ignore. I thought you were a bot or a scammer. Are you the same William Myers? We do get people pretend to be other people, so I assumed you were a scammer. Did you send me? Did you apply to be on Discord today? Let me go have a look in members. Are you still? Yeah, right. So you're about to be kicked out. It was 4 hours ago that you processed an application and you were successful. But then you sent me a friend request, which I had to ignore because you haven't chosen a subscription. You won't see anything until you're a subscriber on Discord. I can see a William Myers 0926. Is that you? But as I say, I can't do anything about it because you didn't choose a membership. So you're flagged to be kicked out any moment. And I think you've done it twice. So you get banned after that and then you won't be able to come in. So I just want to make sure that is you and if you actually want to be a member or not. Anyway, happy birthday, Martyn, because, you know, you're one of our mates. Thank you so much indeed. I'll have a drink on you. Thank you, very kind. Leah is taking me out this weekend for dinner and I'll buy me and Leah a drink on your super chat. So thank you so much for that. That's very, very kind of you. Let's go, said Vince Bango. Vaz sent us. Good lad. He did a good show, didn't he? Hey, yo. Many will sell off before market close and buy before market open Sunday night to avoid any Trump surprises. That's a very good point. Absolutely. Do you think he will talk about Binky Bonk coin? Pretty not. I was raised on Binky Bonks. Martyn, I tried to set up Discord by using my phone. Was having issues. We'll have to try when I get back to the computer. Okay. So I won't delete you then because it says you applied 4 hours ago. We normally delete people now within minutes, but I know it's you. I recognize the name. I will keep you until tonight, and I'm sure you're sorted out. Yeah. This channel is nothing but a paid advertisement. It's been so disappointing. Well, it's not disappointing for you, is it? You're not a member. So it doesn't matter to you, does it? You're not on Discord. You're not a member. So how can it be disappointing to you? I've just been giving information about the markets, so you're making no sense. Anyway, that's why we do members only. I don't know how we got through. Good afternoon, everyone. Ryden, I binky bonked my head earlier. Discord is like impossible to verify. What do you mean it's impossible to verify? We got 700 members on it. Defense, I think you've tried a few times as well. I think you may have got banned in the end. I think you tried it 4 or 5 times. We got 700 members that are doing it. I don't know how to say it. I'm glad I can still buy Electrum here. There you go. That Binky Bonk coin is going to turn this generation upside down. What's going on? Let's get past all the Binky Bonk nonsense, all right? We're members only. Congratulations, Liz. Thank you so much indeed. David Hensley doing a great job, as he always does, as a moderator, sharing all the links. Thanks, Liz. High energy. A good surprise, said Mark Pounce. How are you still in here? We're members only. What's going on? Oil will drop 20%. Phone in. Diesel Raider wants the phone in. Okay, it was scheduled, so let's advertise it. Here is the video phone in. Video phone in. It's members only, please. Only members are admitted onto the show. There you go. There is the link in the top. I'll give it to you again. You don't require any software. You just call in through a browser. Chrome works the best. Call in and you can be live on the show. Very, very simple. No passwords, no issues, very simple. Just call straight in. The phone line is now open. You've got to be on camera. If you're not on camera, we won't admit you in. Boots on the ground are being trained now. That's the word in the streets. I don't think we're going to get that at all. I agree, says Brand. Happy Friday, everyone. War not ending soon. It's a bull trap. How on earth is this a bull trap? The markets are going down. There's no bull trap at all. The market isn't pumping at all. There's no bull trap whatsoever. As a non-member. There you go. I heard 10 days done for now, says Brandy. Sorry, Martin, it's happening. The unwind is happening. The news today that crashed the market was a black swan. Trump's ego won't let the market crash. That's right. Strange this has all happened after Davos. Same here, leading up as much as I could. One more reason why I trimmed Amprius. Very, very wise decision. Look at Amprius now falling. Absolutely. Be very, very careful. I've taken my profit. I wouldn't want to be in a speculative asset over the weekend like that. So if the unwind is happening, why not run up on XRP? Well, it's not how it works. High energy, that's not how it works. Why are you saying XRP would go up because of an unwind? Have you been watching those YouTubers who think XRP is going to boom because of an unwind? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Yeah, we've got non-members talking absolute nonsense in the chat. I heard they are about to put boots on the ground. No, set all fires, says Liz. What else have we got? How long is crypto winter? Well, all I can tell you is this for certainty. Bear markets are always less in time and they're always weaker. Bull markets last longer and are stronger. Just like the sun shines more than the rain, right? At least... maybe not in England. Need to buy Costco and Coca-Cola, right? I'm buying Coca-Cola. That's all I need. I don't need to diversify too much. I keep focusing on a few businesses. That's all you need. Let's hope Russia and China stay out of it besides botched intelligence. Me too. I'm all in. Very, very wise, I think. Robert Elliott. Defense right on. Wow, I'm glad I sold Amprius at 17. Absolutely right. I sold it way before then. I sold it at 14, but I'd made 10% profit, and I'm very, very happy with 10% profit. I would not want to be in this over the weekend. Absolutely not. But anything could happen. Who knows? It got up 1,000% by tomorrow, and you'll all go, what was all that about? My portfolio looks like that. That's what you want. If your portfolio looks like that, you know you are in a good place. Let's have a look. The bar is open tonight. Yes, indeed. Martin, please look into it. Sorry, you're not a member. I've got to focus. I've got to focus on my members. I have to focus on my members, I'm afraid. William Myers, I was just talking to him a moment ago. What did William say? Tidy does a bear. I'll call in. Diesel Raider. Well, why aren't you calling in then? I've given you the link. Please call in. Here is the link to call in. I've pinned it to the top. There it is. There's the live video phone in. Once again, 3 times in the chat. Click on that, call in. Copy that, says Tidy Big Dog. We are waiting, buying in silence, but we will overcome. Okay, Diesel Raider. Let's have a look. I've sent the link. It's already out. The link is already out. AMD says MT. I don't know how are people getting through. This must be before I went members only. Happy early birthday. Thank you, William Myers. Yes, William Myers. I tried to join today, but I'll get it done when I get home. You can do it on your phone. Just use a browser on your phone, but it also allows you on your phone. I don't know why it's not working for you, but you could try a browser. But if not, wait for home. William, I'll keep your account there. It's Happy Friday. Let them in until the FAFO, then out of the genuine ones. Maybe get a membership, just a thought, says Tidy Big Dog. More links from David Hensley. Thank you so much indeed. Put the Ninja Cowboy on the door. Names not down. You're not coming in. Sold Amprex as well on 7% up. Congratulations. 7% up. I mean, think about it. 10% a year is what you make on the 500 best businesses in the world. So think about it. What's wrong with 7%? It's not. It's fantastic. You didn't do anything, did you? All you did was show up. I mean, you know, it's pretty amazing, really, how it works. Ninja Cowboy, Tidy Big Dog, 17%. Me too. Congratulations to all of you. And a pint says Big Dog. I sold at 5%, $10 profit. 8. A profit is a profit. If you keep doing that, it'll mass up and eventually you'll be wherever you want to be. Okay, right then. We've gone through all the questions. I've answered every question. No one's calling in, so we'll end that. Nobody wanted to call in. I made 13% on Amprius, says Ryden. Thank you, Martyn, for the valuable information yesterday. You are very welcome. I'm so glad you've made money. If you keep making money, you can't lose, can you? Really? Yes, I would love put more. I would have loved to put more in. It was not possible. Thanks for the great news. Liz, you are very, very welcome. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up early today because there is no one wanting to call in. I've answered all the questions. I'm going to have an A-team meeting with my broadcasters in a few moments, and then of course we've got Discord as well, as we do every day. We've now got a Discord village. That means there are events. There are locations, venues, places to go, things to do. We've got the gaming channel where you can do rock, paper, scissors, roulette, dice, all kinds of things in there. You can earn free money. We're giving away prizes and all kinds of stuff. Now, this weekend, if anybody here is waiting for their prize, I'm sending them out this weekend. I've had so many issues with dealing with things, but this weekend, everyone's prizes are coming out. Sorry, technical phone issues. No problem. No problem indeed. I'm going every hour working in this village. See you at the pub. There you go. Awesome stuff. Let me close the phone in. We're not doing that. That's ended. Have I got anyone to upgrade on Discord? Yes, we have a few people that have just joined. Let me give you the link right now. Here is the link once again. It's pinned to the top. There is YouTube. Over the weekend, unfortunately, the weather is not good here. Over the weekend, I'm going to go for an Electrum event around my lake. So if you want to join me around the lake on Saturday, do join me. Weather permitting, I'd like to take you around the lake. All right, and have a conversation about the markets and how we might prepare for the upcoming week. This week, I think, is paramount. And if you've managed to dig deep and stay in the market, this could be the week when it all pays off and it'll all be worth it. That's what I'm hoping anyway. That's what I'm focusing on. So let me just interview the guests that have applied to be on Discord. I've got 4 now, actually. So let me just do that. I've just rejected two. If you get rejected, I'm sorry. There was something about your account we didn't like. But I've just accepted 1. There we go. All right. So you have a few minutes to choose your membership. After that, and don't forget, please send me a friend request as well. We'll be in the village tonight, in the Discord village tonight after the show with a stage event. There'll be a stage event right after this, after my 18 meeting. We're giving away 1,000 coins as well. We're giving away 1,000 coins. Luca coins. We've got our own currency now in the casino, and it's a lot of fun. And there's going to be lots of benefits to the coins coming as well. It's really, really cool. So let me make sure we've done that. Yes, I have. Now then, I've got some other news. Very exciting news. So over the last few hours, we ran a competition on Discord to win. Why the lights are a bit dim, aren't they? I just realised that. Hang on a minute. I just realised the lights are all weird, aren't they? No one said anything. No one said anything. So I tell you what we're going to do. I cannot believe no one said anything. So let me do a live change. You ready? Okay. Okay. That's more like it, isn't it? Just adjust that slightly. There we go. Nobody said anything. The lights weren't right. There we go. That's better. That's how we like it. Much, much more professional. Okay. Right. So just a little bit down a bit. Okay. Just in the middle. There you go. So we've been running a competition to give away 1,000 coins, Luca coins. All right. So we asked you to name the MiBot in Discord, right? Our MiBot, and we wanted a funny name because it's me basically giving you coins or upgrading you or telling you off for doing stuff. All right. So we needed a name to go into the MiBot. All right. So it's going to be not MiBot anymore. It's going to be my name, but we don't want Martyn Lucas because that sounds a bit daft. I don't want the MiBot to be called Martyn Lucas, right? We don't want that. We want something a bit more fun, okay? So we're going to give away 1,000 coins for you, and these are the options. William, our admin on Discord, has been running a competition. You've all been taking part, and I'm very excited to say we had quite a few entries. We had 19 people take part. 19 people take part, and we have got Moderator. Whichever one you like in the chat, you copy and paste your favorite, and whoever wins gets 1,000 Luca coins. All right, Moderator, Martus, like Spartacus, Martus, Lord Binky Bonk, Max, M-A-X, Max, Milo, M-I-L-O. Oh, I get that. I see Martyn Lucas. I see it. Alfie, Buster, Ziggy, Bite Boss, Bit Boss, Bite Boss, Smartybot, Smartybot. So Smartybot, S-Marty, Smartybot. Okay, Binky Bonk, Mini Me, Marty, Thor 9, Marty McMartface, Martyn McMartface. That could be the MiBot name. Blokey, Lucas Quantum Bot, R2D2. Oh, David Rammon, I see where you're going with that. R2D2 and Witty. All right. So there it is. It's been in the chat all day, and it was there for you to take part in. All right. So now the time is up. You had your chance to do it. It was in the Lucas. It was in the chat, the general chit chat. I think it was general chit chat. I think it was. Scroll up. Where was it? Where was it? It's William's not in the show, I don't think. No, Lucas A's chat. I think, was it there? I can't see where William put it. Where did William put it? It went out today. Where did he put it? Are you in the chat, William? Are you in the chat? Where did he put it? It wouldn't be there. Martin's music suggestions, general chit chat. I didn't see it in there. Let's have a look. Oh, there it is. There it is. There we go. There. We are looking to customize the MiBot with cool, witty names that represent Marty as the bot. We are collecting names and we'll be running a poll over the weekend. To submit a name, see contest form below. The winner will be picked on Martin's birthday on Monday, March the 9th. Okay, and there it was. There is and 17 people saw it. So there you go. All right, there it was. It was in the general chit chat. Okay. So there it was. Okay. So we've done that now. And these are the names that we've got. Okay. So which ones did you like? So there's Witty, R2D2, Lucas Quantum Bot, Blokey, and the winner gets 1,000 coins. Martyn McMartface, Thor 9, Marty, Mini Me, Binky Bonk, S Marty Bot, Bit Boss, Ziggy, Buster, Alfie, Milo, Max, Lord, Binky Bonk, Martus, and Martinator. All right? So which one did you like? Let me see which ones I'm seeing in the chat. Let's have a look. It's, can you check? I think I got in Discord now. Oh. You think you got in Discord now, did you? Let's have a look. William Myers. Ah, yes. There you are. You decided to go pro. William Myers decided to go pro. There he is with holographic name. You now get the 24-hour trades, one-on-one support, direct messaging to me. All of my trades, the 2-stage events a day, all the gaming channels, all the trade shows with Rob. Absolutely everything you get, and all the new features you will get. All right. So yeah, you are a Lucas A Pro. Did you send me a friend request? Are we friends? Because you would have been unfriended when it changed over. No. Send me a friend request right now, William, and I'll accept it. We're not friends. I had to delete, if we were friends, I had to delete it when we upgraded, when you came out and back in again for security reasons. Send me a friend request. Just click on my name or find me in the server. Send me a friend request and I'll accept it now. And don't forget, William Myers, and everyone wants to do this, go and claim your Luca coin badge. You see the Luca coin, the dollar sign with the Luca? You claim that. They're going into your profile, and it says this server has as a coin, a tag, and you can claim it. It's free. You can claim it. All right. So that's how you do it. All right. And if you want to know how to do it, people will tell you in the server how to do it. Thank you, sir, said Vince. Bye all. Have fun in the pub. Can't be with you. Going to dance. Oh, see you later, Liz. See you later. See you on Monday. I thought it was my laptop. I thought you thought it was your laptop. What do you mean? Martin, you need to liquidate that S&P 500 position and go all in on oil futures. Martini Racer, how are you? Oh my gosh. This is one of our premier members here, folks. This is Martini Racer. It's great to have you here, mate. My gosh, it's been a while. How the devil are you, mate? It's not the S&P, mate. I'm not in the S&P at all. And I certainly wouldn't be buying oil right now. No bloody way, Martini, because I think you're going to find that Trump is going to bring the oil down really quickly. So no, I'm in Google of about $300,000. I'm in XRP of about $90,000. I'm in Nvidia of $85,000, and I'm in Coca-Cola about $80,000 or $90,000. That's my positions all at the moment. All right. I didn't see that. Where is that? Well, it's done now. It's finished. Sorry, Liz. Would you consider in investment portfolio strategies for beginners? Would you consider investment portfolio strategies? Yes, we do that all the time, Tidy Big Dog. On the channel is a playlist for all the how-tos and the why-fors. And we've got the tax lot video. We've got the margin video. Yes. And Miloy says gaming. I like Milo. I like Milo. Okay, it's done. What's done? What have you done? What have you done? R2D2. You like that one? How about bloody administrator? Defense. That's good. You should have entered, shouldn't you? You should have entered it. Can't catch up. More all chats. Village too big. It's a city now, isn't it? It's a city now. Martin Marticus Maximum Mauritius. A diesel. Yes, general chit chat. There it is. We found it. We found it, mate. If you love live great music, a friendly atmosphere. Oh, there we go. The music show tonight. Thank you, thank you, David. Thanks for all the links. Oh, this spanner. David again. Oh, Oh, this spammer. Oh, yeah. The spammer, David Hensley. Yeah. Martinator or Mini-Me? Martinator, I like 2. Hey, I submitted 1 last minute. Oh, has it still gone in? Oh, is it still working? I didn't know that. Is it still working? You can still do it. Can you still do it? I had 19. Oh my gosh, you can still do it. You can still do it. I didn't realize. You can still do it. So if anybody wants to do it and win 1,000 coins, you can still do it. So let me show you. I didn't realize it was still going. Oh my God. I didn't realize it was still, I should have realized William would do that. That makes more sense. Right. So, okay. It's in general chit chat. Let me just find that a second. All these channels. General chit chat. There we go. General chit chat. Okay. There you go. There it is. It's right there. Go to General Chit Chat on Discord, and over the weekend, I'm going to shortlist it for a vote on at the weekend, on Monday, okay? All right? So there you go. Make sure you go and do that. Shall I give you the link here? Look, there you are. There's the link. I'll drop the link in YouTube right there, look, so you can click on it. It'll take you straight there. There you go. All right, so, hey, I had submitted 1 last minute. Yes, R2D2, Lord Binky Bonk. Martini, Ninja Cowboy, Lord Binky Bonk. No, come on, this Binky. Come on. No, come on, this Binky K. Thank you for checking. You're welcome. Martinator, C. Marty has just become a member. Thank you, C. Marty. Welcome. Oh, it's your 6 months badge. Congratulations. I'm up 400. Up 400% for the month. I bet you are on oil. Bloody hell. Congratulations to you. 400%. Is that options? Because you couldn't have done that. You couldn't have done that on regular stock purchase, could you? Because it was like 60 to like 90 or whatever it was. So 400%. Is that using options? Hey, it's really great to see you, mate. This is one of our big whales. You know, I told you we got some platinum members. Well, this guy isn't a platinum member, but he's like a platinum member. All right. He owns all sorts of sports cars and yachts and stuff. This is Martini Racer in the chat. All right. Anyway, just sent you a friend request on Discord. Oh, okay. Let me go and do it. Pending. William Myers. Check that. I've got to check the name. I go for the same process every time, no matter who it is. I've got to do the same process right now. Here we go, members. There we go. Yeah, William, I see you. Profile, accept. Awesome. That's it. You're all in now. Just select the channels that you want. Go to the browse. Click on the channels that you want. Follow the channels that you want and all that good stuff. All right? Okay. All right. Let me come back to the questions. You see? Now I see, Liz. Yes, it will work until after your until after the music show. Ah, okay. The Lucasada. Tidy Big Dog. It's funny the new names you come out with. I don't have access to Discord. That's up to you. It's $2.99. It's yeah, if you want it. Oh, hang on. We got a special message on the screen. I've been let me look at it. Here we go. I've been over in lifers like other Lucasades, I'm sure. What's that? Diesel, what you on about? I've been over in lifers like other Lucasades, I'm sure, deceit and an inability to trust. You have truly, honorably helped us. You're a true friend, Fafo. Diesel Raider, thank you, very, very kind. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the love, and it's a much appreciated. I take that very seriously. That's very kind. Thank you. Are you covering the announcement of new company to the S&P? Rumors could be SoFi or Vertiv. It can't possibly be SoFi, surely. Kazansky, there's no announcement of it or anything. I do like Lord Binky Bonk, said Ninja Cowboy. Micro futures. Oh, I see. Congratulations, Martyn. That's really cool. And thank you for remaining a member. That's a huge thing. Thank you for remaining a member, as you don't watch every show. We've not seen you for months, but he's remained a member all this time. So that's really, really cool. That's why he's got a 1-year badge. If you notice that, you lose your history if you cancel. He might be somewhere in between a 1 or a 2-year badge now. Anyway, R2 Trade 2. R2 Trade 2, that's clever. Hello, Martini, happy days. It was 10x, but those greedy people decided to double the margin requirements. Oh, yeah, I understand how that works. Currently, the leverage on oil micro futures is 5.6. Martini Racy, you're talking. You're not talking my language, I'm afraid. I know very little about options. I know enough to know I don't want to do it, but it's I know very little, as you know. Options is not my thing. Anyway, the bell has gone. The over hours. We are in the overnight hours now. Anything can happen over the weekend, and I think we're right. I think you should be out of Amprius. It's now selling off. It's going down quickly. I don't think anybody's going to want to be in this for much longer. Remember, you've got like 3 hours left before the market closes. Now it's bouncing up. I wouldn't want to be in this over the weekend. You've made yourself, a huge profit. I wouldn't want to be in it, but that's not financial advice. You do what you want, but I sold it at 10%. But anyway, there we go. We've got the coiled spring. Things are waiting to go one way or another. No one knows. So that's it from me. We've just had a few more people tune in, provide names. We've now got, for the MiBot in the Discord village, 25 names now. We've got Witty, and I'll show you them all. Which ones do you like? Here we go. We have got, these are the ones we'll vote on. We got Martinator, Binky Bot, R2 Trade 2, Martinique, Martini, Smarty Martin, Martinator, Martus, Lord Binky Bonk, Max, Milo, Alfie, Buster, Ziggy, Bitboss, S Marty Bot, Binky Bonk, Mini Me, Marty, Thor 9, Martin McMartface. Where did that come from? Blokey, Lucas Quantum Bot, R2D2, and Witty. And the people that took part are all listed down there. Oh, it looks like G. Dahl had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He came up with 5 names. He's got 5 chances. 5 chances to win 1,000 coins. I love it. 1,000 Lucas coins. Okay, I'm loving it. All right, there we go. I'll come back to that over the weekend, and that's it for me, I think. So, what we're going to do now is I'm going to have an A-team meeting with my team. Then I'm going to be in Discord, and then we're going to the pub. It's my birthday weekend. I'm 57 years old. Gee whiz. 57 years old on Monday. So Monday is the show. All day on the show. It's going to be members only, drinking whiskey, larking about, and eating Bombay mix. It's going to be quite a day. We do stupid stuff on Monday. So tune in for the birthday show. But tonight, as it's the Friday party, we'll do some birthday songs tonight as well and have a bit of a laugh. If you want to join us. So I'm now going to give everyone the link here. Pin it to the top. Pin it to the top. Party. Now, there we go. It will take you there automatically. I'm just going to double check. I'm pretty sure it does. I don't know why I keep needing to double check all the time, but I do. It's like a habit in it, really. Right. Yeah. So it's going to take you there automatically. I will see you in a short while in Discord and my A-team meeting now. And that's it from me. Okay? I wish you all the very best. It's going to be a crazy weekend. Look out for crypto. Coiled spring. What's going to happen? Nobody knows. Last couple of questions. Prediction markets. 70% chance Vertiv. Thank you, Kazansky. I tried to join baseball team when I was 16. Terry, the coach, hit me in the head with a metal bat on purpose. He has a baseball stadium named after him. Who's ringing the bell? Who's ringing the bell? No one's ringing the bell. That was 5 minutes ago. We're done. We're out of here. Okay, I'll see you all the music channel. The link is in the top. It's pinned to the chat. It's pinned into the top. It'll take you there automatically. That's it from me. A-team on standby. I'll see you there. And I'll also see you on Discord right after that. That's it from me. Until next time, see you on the party in 55 minutes. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.